Hello, dear friends. Myself, Sudarshan Patil. Today, we are going to learn a letter of complaint. Sometimes it happens that you purchase something and that particular product or even service also, you are not satisfied with some services also. So, if the product is defective and the service is not satisfactory, of course, you need to write a letter of complaint. So, today we will see how to write a letter of complaint and what are the tips, what are the things one should keep in the mind while writing a letter of complaint. First step is most important, that when you found that the particular product is defective, of course do a phone call or even email, and after that draft a complaint letter. A letter is very important because it puts your complaint on the record with the company, with that particular service provider, and it helps preserve to take some any legal actions in a future if that particular service provider or that store doesn't agree with you for the, if for example, if you bought, if you have bought a laptop and the laptop is not working satisfactorily and the store is not ready to replace it, then at that time such a complaint letter will help you to take some legal actions. Because in complaint, oral communication doesn't stand strengthful or legal comparing with written communication. First of all, the most important thing is that while writing complaint letter, of course, it should be very formal and the letter should be clear and brief. Describe what kind of a product or service you purchased and what is the problem. Then if the product, and even if the product is defective, mention the serial number, model number, when you bought it. Hmm. So these details you have to write into the your complaint letter. Then write exactly what you need, what kind of a service you require from the store. Means whether you want the repairs, you want the replacement. So you have to mention this into your complaint letter clearly. Then most important thing is that don't get irritated, angry, or don't use any kind of a wrong language, abusive language, sarcastic language in your letter. Your letter should be very clear. It should be into the soft language. Always use positive words, positive sentences to convey your complaint. Then most important thing is that when you write complaint letter, along with complaint letter, provide the proofs. For example, bills or the warranty card, receipts, etc. So that that particular service provider or the store will understand that yes, you have bought that particular product or the service from themselves only. Then of course you have to include your details, your contact number, email, WhatsApp number, so that they will get back to you immediately. So these things you have to keep in your mind while writing while writing your complaint. Even actually when you are going to write in the first paragraph, put to write your situation, means what product you have bought, on which day you have bought it. So this you have to mention into the first paragraph. Even add some positive sentences that your store is a very famous store and it is famous for quick services, prompt services. So this will helpful for you to create positive relationship, and even the receiver, the person who is receiving the complaint, he will look at your complaint positively. Then in the next, you have to write the problem. What kind of a problem has occurred for your product or the service, that you have to mention in detail. Then what are the consequences? What means what you are suffering because of that defective product or the defective service, that you have to underline, you have to highlight it into that complaint letter, so that that particular store owner or the reader will understand your critical situation, that it is, that you have to mention it, that it is very urgent, and it is, you are very dependable on that particular product or the service. Then again, you have to mention the time limit also. Means you need that particular service or that particular product should be replaced within 1 week, 2 weeks, as per your requirement. Then always maintain friendly and factual things into your letter. Do not write any hyperbolic or do not write any false information. Always provide the correct and complete information, factual information, and that should be in a proper friendly tone. Then before sending your letter, of course, proofread it, give that letter to your friend or to your relatives to go through it, and if they suggest any correction, edit it, and afterwards send it. So these are the tips for writing a complaint letter. So now we will see how to write a complaint letter. Here is a one question. See this. I will read it for you. Write a letter of complaint to Mehta Computer Services, Senapati Ghorpade Road, Pune, for receiving defective laptop. The name of the store is given, and what is the defective product, it is also mentioned in the question, that you have bought you have bought a laptop and that is defective. Now you need to write complaint letter. First of all, the first element is your name and address. It is mentioned here, XYZ plot number 7, Ekta Colony, Shivaji Nagar, Pune. Then of course below that, date. When you are writing the letter, that date you have to mention, 14th of May 2021. To whom you have to write this? To the sales manager, Mehta Computer Services, Senapati Ghorpade Road, Pune. Means receiver's address. First element of the letter, name, sender's address, then receiver's address. Then of course, most important thing is that subject line, just 4 or 5 words. Complaint against the defective laptop. Means when that reader will open the letter and when he will read, what is the subject? Yes, complaint against the defective laptop. That reader will hand over this letter to the that particular department where the complaints are resolved. So that's why you need to write the subject in all formal letters. Just a minute. Now the next element is what? Salutation. You need to write the salutation. Dear sir. Then actual letter, means body of the letter. The first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you have to tell the situation. Look this, I was very much happy that I bought a laptop on 13th May 2021 from your famous store in Pune city. Means you are giving the detail when you bought, when you purchased that product, and you are mentioning that you are happy. And you are even telling that your store is famous. Means you are creating a positive thought, you are giving a positive thought, positive way to this letter. Your store is very famous for prompt and trustful services. but I'm writing you to convey my dissatisfaction with the laptop which I bought on 13th May. Okay, so what happened? You are informing it, means your complaint. On opening the box of laptop and operating it, I noticed following defects and discrepancies. Okay, so you are informing that there is a problem. In the next paragraph or point wise, you can tell what are the problems. I gave the order for Windows 8 Dell laptop, but you have sent Windows 7 of the same brand. This is first defect or discrepancy. The next, second, the screen is of poor quality and the display is quite hazy. And third one, I have ordered gray color laptop, but I found it's black in the box. So these are the three complaints it is mentioned here. So either you can mention it a paragraph or even you can make the points. So likewise, you have to put your complaints in a short and clear manner so that your reader will understood it easily. There should not be any confusion. Okay. This is most important paragraph where you have to address, where you have to write your complaint in a clear manner. Next. Hence, I bring this situation to your attention as you have good reputation in Pune. Again, you are creating a positive environment into the letter. I believe that I would get quick response from you and get it replaced from your store. Means you are creating a situation that you will get a quick response and it will be replaced from their store. I hope that I will receive a new laptop within a week as my whole work is online. Means what is happening because of this defective laptop, that situation you need to analyze, that your work is online and your work is stopped because of this defective laptop. I have enclosed the cash memo and guarantee card. Thank you in advance. So in this last paragraph, you have to tell what is happening because of it and what action you want, that you have to describe here in the last paragraph. And of course, complimentary clause. Just a minute. Yours faithfully, then you of course need to put your signature when actually you are writing it, your name. Then enclosure, what you need to enclosure, that enclosure means what you are attaching it with, that of course the photocopy of cash memo, means they should understand, yes, this particular product is purchased in their store only. That's why photocopy of cash memo and photocopy of guarantee card. Got it? When you will get actual replacement, then at that time you need to give the original cash memo and guarantee card, and you will get it another copy of that particular photocopy, cash memo and photocopy of guarantee card. So hope you understood this complaint letter. This is the most important type of letter, because when we are writing complaint letter, our tone must be positive and factual. If you write your complaint letter in a positive manner and in a actual manner, of course, you will receive good services and your work will be done. If you have any doubt about how to write a letter of complaint, you can raise your doubts on WhatsApp or even you can do me the call. Thank you very much for attending this class. Thank you once again. Have a good day.